Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Mahmood. I am currently the Director for Digital Learning and also the Co-Director for Stern Center for Teaching and Learning at George Mason University. The topic I picked today is the approach and strategies on quality standards, faculty support, technology integration, and assessment of hybrid and online courses. I'd like to impose some questions to explain the details and the key elements of this topic. The first question is, what would be my approach to continuously ensuring quality standards for teaching hybrid and online courses? My viewpoint, I see it from a system level, which is also known as macro level, and then compare it with teaching level, aka micro level. Within the systems level, we have logistics such as platform to offer a hybrid or online course. Technicality, we have different service units, or we can say support units. We also have policies that directly or indirectly impact on this systems level. Within the teaching level, we have processes starting from training all the way to the course delivery. We need to integrate technology. And also we have evaluation, revise, and maintenance of courses. The checklist I would consider to continuous quality standards for teaching hybrid and online courses are collaboration, coming from logistical and service units, collaborating seamlessly. The platform itself, whether it is functioning properly or not. The platform itself, such as Blackboard or Canvas, whether we're using any of these platforms, we have to make sure that the platform is functioning properly. A contingency plan. Do we have a contingency plan in case of an emergency? Incident management plan. What incident management plan are in practice, or if we have any such plan? Customer service. To make sure we provide an efficient and responsive customer service to our stakeholders. These all are coming from logistical point of view. My key approach would be to continuously support quality standards for teaching hybrid and online courses, or keep a constant loop feedback among various service units, an automated reporting system to update key stakeholders, dedicated team or unit to oversee and respond any systems level issues, coordination and collaboration. And it can be done in many ways, not just by emails and or memos. Improve customer service, a collaboration and dedication to our support system, not just by on calls, it can be more than that. If I may present this in an infographic, as you can see, it starts with training and guidelines, where we need to identify checklist, standards, and policies. We have to identify course objectives for each and every single course. We need to figure out our assessment strategies and what is the overall course outline. Then it goes to the next level, which is the approach itself, the synchronous or asynchronous modality, project and problem-based learning, flipped class, how these will differ. Then the point comes the integration, where we need to integrate tools and technology, contents updates, and also the improvement of active learning activities. Next comes evaluation, where we need to conduct quality assurance checklist and overall quality assurance. We also need to collect feedback from students and peers. Finally, the revision part. Each semester, When a course is offered, instructors should keep a journal to reflect what worked and what did not work. And based on that, we or the instructors need to revise the course. It can start all the way to the beginning, or it can start at the stage of integration. To summarize, we need to align our university's teaching strategies, standards, and overall mission. A comprehensive framework is required to evaluate and assess quality standards. And these quality standards are for online courses. It can be also for hybrid courses. A conversation with faculty on a regular basis to meet their expectations. Without a frank and honest conversation, we cannot identify the challenges. A requirement for a system for documenting faculty performance based on multiple data sources. We need to create a collaborative team to lead the effort of faculty and student support. Apply multi-layer quality assurance. And quality assurance is the fundamental part of any and every online and hybrid courses. Tier, institutional, and client-driven feedback, which is a continuation of cycle of feedback. My next question is, how might I approach a strategy to help faculty who are new to teaching online develop their skills? Major concerns I have seen so far working in various institutions: hesitance to accept the change. And this is a human nature. When there is a new thing, new trend, new technology integration, or whatever it is, we see and feel the hesitance to accept that change. Fear of technology. If we compare the teaching modality, we can see that the technology improved so many ways, and this technology integration also brought the fear of accepting these new tools or technology. We as a faculty sometimes get used to of how and what we are teaching, and when it comes to integrate something new, we are hesitant or fear of that particular new thing or trend. Therefore, there is uncomfortable with the system, or at least uneasiness we can say, to integrate and implement a new system. So we have to understand all these facts. We have to know these facts, the differences between face-to-face versus online. My strategy for faculty to develop skills new to online would be first to identify the expectation. It can start with just a simple talk. We need to focus on foundational strategies, on those training and guidance so that faculty are well aware of what to do. We also need to provide a dedicated support system. It can be based on call or need-based. It can be 24/7 depending on our overall manpower, or it can be on ad hoc basis. We should evaluate the learning processes and phases. Without a good evaluation, we cannot understand what went right and what went wrong. Finally, to provide an opportunity to observe and learn. And with that, I would like to conclude this presentation. Thank you all for your time. If you have any questions or comments, you can forward that to my email.